Hi there, my name is McKenna Masters, and the threat to internal validity that I chose was mortality / attrition. These bullet points are really brief, so I'll go ahead and expand on each one. So let's start. What is mortality? Well, experimental mortality is also known as attrition, withdrawals, or dropouts, and is problematic when there is a differential loss of subjects from comparison groups subsequent to randomization, resulting in unequal groups at the study's end. To reiterate this, experimental mortality pretty involves involves any subject who has been enrolled in a study and randomly assigned to a group, but is not included in the analysis for any reason. Participants may be excluded from the analysis for a number of reasons, including ineligibility, subjects admitted to studies because of clerical or diagnostic errors, or non-adherence to the study protocol by either subjects or researchers, or poor or missing data in competing events. Because the value of random assignment is lost, if subjects are dropped from the analysis, the group can no longer be considered equivalent in terms of known and unknown factors. And the preferred procedure for preventing bias is an intention to threat analysis, in which all subjects randomized are included in the analysis. There are two different types of mortality. There's longitudinal, which is non-equivalence between times resulting from attrition. One type of person is more likely to withdraw than another. An example of this would be average grades decreasing over time for, say, student A, but not for students in student-assisted programs. This type of attrition is the clinical study of treatment effectiveness, and most of the time extremely pathological participants drop out, which results in average pathology scores decreasing. And then I pretty much discussed experimental, but in the previous slide, but it's non-equivalence between groups resulting from differential attrition. And one good example of this would be a study designed to compare the effects of intranasal corticosteroid spray with placebo in alleviating symptoms of allergic rhinitis. If subjects with the most severe symptoms preferentially dropped out of the active treatment group, the treatment may appear more effective than it really is. So that pretty much describes mortality and attrition. Thanks for watching.